Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, GTR Math Tutorial, and Facebook, RJ Enseñado. So for today's video, we will discuss number 334 and 335 of 1001 solved problems in engineering mathematics. So this is all about area of circle and sector. Okay, so let's solve number 334. The angle of a sector is 30 degrees and the radius is 15 centimeters. What is the area of the sector in centimeters squared? Okay, so let us draw the figure. So this is the circle. Let's draw a sector with angle 30 degrees. Okay, so when we say sector, that is part of the circle formed by an arc and two radius. Okay, so let's solve. Let's draw two radius with 30 degrees. So let this be the first radius and the second radius with 30 degrees. Central angle. So this is the 30 degrees. And then we have radius of 15 centimeters. So the radius of this is also 15 centimeters. And just use the formula. So we have the formula for area of sector is equal to 1/2 r squared times theta, where theta is in radian measure. Okay? So just substitute the given. So area of sector is equal to 1/2. The value of radius is 15 centimeters. So we have 15 squared times the theta. Convert the theta in radian. So given the theta is 30 degrees. So let's convert to radian. So the conversion for radian is pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees will be in the denominator so that we can cancel the unit degrees. Okay, and then just use our calculator, scientific calculator. So we have 1/2 times 15 squared. So 15 first, and then so 15 squared and then divided by 2. So equals 112.5, and then multiply to this, multiply by 30 and by pi and divide by 180. So we have times 30 times pi divided by 180 equals 58.9. So the correct answer is letter C, 58.9, rounded to the nearest tenths. Okay? So therefore, the correct answer is letter C, 58.9. Area of sector is equal to 58.9 centimeter squared, letter C. Okay, so next number. So two perpendicular chords, both 5 centimeters from the center of a circle, divide the circle into 4 parts. If the radius of the circle is 13 centimeters, find the area of the smallest part. Okay, so this will be the figure for this. Okay, so we have two perpendicular chords. So these are the two perpendicular chords. First one and then the second one. They are both 5 centimeters from the center. So 5 centimeters from the center, therefore, this should be 5 centimeters, and then also this is 5 centimeters. Okay? 5 and 5. And then the radius of the circle is 13 centimeters. So this radius is 13. So this also 13 centimeters. Okay? So we want to find the area of the smallest part. The smallest part is this shaded part, ABD. Okay? So let A be the area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part. And then A sub S be the area of the sector. Area of the sector, this sector ABC. So sector ABC. And then A sub T, area of the triangle. We can form two congruent triangles here. So we have two congruent triangles here. So this is the first triangle. Triangle BDC. Okay, so let A sub T, the area of the triangle BDC. Triangle BDC. So therefore, the area of the shaded part, based on the figure, area of the shaded part is equal to area of the sector minus the area of this triangle. So we have two triangles here, two congruent triangles. So therefore, our formula will be A is equal to area of sector minus 2 times the A sub T. Since these are congruent triangles. So we have 2A sub t. First, let us solve the area of the sector. So we use the formula for sector. A sub S is equal to 1/2 R squared times theta. So we need to solve first the value of this theta. So to solve the theta, we need to solve first the value of this alpha. So we have right triangle here. So we have right triangle with height of 5 and radius. The hypotenuse is the radius, so we have 13. And then this is the alpha. Okay, I will just write A. And then we have, from the figure, this forms a right triangle. So therefore, we have A plus theta that is equal to 90. So we have A plus A or 2A. So we have 2A plus theta equals 90 degrees. So we can solve the value of this A using the sine function. We have sine A. Sine A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So we have 5 over 13. So we can get the value of this A. A is equal to arc sine of 5 over 13. Okay, so let us use our scientific calculator to get the value of A or the alpha. So we have 5 divided by 13. So I'll press the equal sign and then press the inverse sign. So I'll use this second function and then sign. So we have rounded off to the nearest two decimal places. We have 22.62 since the next number is 9. Okay, so we have the alpha is equal to 22.62. Okay, so alpha is 22.62 degrees. Now we can solve the value of theta. The theta is equal to 90 degrees. Put this to the other side. So minus 2 alpha. And then the value of alpha is, okay, so the value of alpha is 22.62 degrees. So therefore, our theta, the central angle of this sector is 90 degrees minus quantity 2 times 22.62 close parenthesis equals 44.76 degrees. Okay? So the angle theta is 44.76 degrees. So I'll just write it here. The theta is equal to 44.76 degrees. Okay, so I'll erase everything. Or I will solve first the area of sector. So we have 1/2 R squared theta. So we have 1/2. The value of R is 13. So that is given 13. So we have 13 squared times the theta. We now solve the theta. The theta is 44.76. And then we need to convert to radian. So times pi radian over 180 degrees. Okay? So therefore, the area of the sector is equal to, so let's use our calculator. So we have 44.76 here. So let's multiply by pi over 180. Multiply by pi divided by 180. Press equal sign. So that is the value of this. And then we need to multiply by 13 squared. So multiply by 13 squared. Multiply by 13 squared and then press equal sign and then divided by 2. So divided by 2, that is equal to 66.01. Let us use 66 because based on the choices, we have all whole numbers. So we can round it off to 66. Okay, so the area of the sector is 66 centimeters squared. Okay, so I will write it here. The area of the sector is 66 centimeter squared. Okay, and then I'll erase everything. Now, we need to solve the value of the area of the triangle. Okay, so let's solve the area of the triangle. I'll erase first. area of the triangle. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve this. Okay, let's solve this area of this triangle. Okay, so we have this figure. We want to find the area of this triangle. So let this be y, and then this radius is 13, and then these are both 5. Okay? So this is 5, and then this is 5. So the formula for area of triangle is equal to 1/2 times base times the height. So based on our figure, let this be the base, the y be the base, and the height is, this is the height. If we rotate this, so y is the base, and then the 5 will be the height. Okay, so if we rotate it like this, okay, so this is the y, and then the height is, this height is 5. Okay, so now we just need to solve the value of y. So by Pythagorean theorem, so this is a right triangle. So the legs are y plus 5. So the height of this, y plus 5. So we have, by Pythagorean theorem, y plus 5 squared plus the length of the other leg. So this is 5. So another 5 squared equals the hypotenuse. So that is 13 squared. So solve for y. So just copy y plus 5 squared plus 5 squared, that is 25, equals 13 squared, that is 169. Subtract 25 to both sides. So we will have y plus 5 squared is equal to 169 minus 25. That is equal to 144. And then get the square root of both sides. So we will have y plus 5 equals plus or minus square root of 144, that is 12. So we will only use the positive because y should be positive. There is no negative length. Okay, so let's just use the positive 12 and then subtract 5 to both sides. So therefore, the value of y is equal to 7. So y is 7, that is the base. So therefore, the area of this triangle, so the area of this triangle is equal to 1/2 times the base is 7, and then the height is equal to 5. Okay? So therefore, the area is equal to 7 times 5. So that is equal to 35 divided by 2. So 35 divided by 2, we have 17.5. So that is the area of the triangle BDC. Now, we can solve the area, the shaded part, area of the sector minus 2 times the area of the triangle. So we have area of the sector 66 centimeters squared minus 2 times area of the triangle is 17.5. So therefore, we have 66 minus 17.5 times 2, that will be 35. So our final answer, the area of the shaded part is equal to 66 minus 35 equals 31 centimeter squared. So the correct answer is letter B, 31 centimeter squared. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. See you on my next video about engineering mathematics. Bye-bye.